You're close, Coach. You're close.
Close. All right. These are our new flatbed mounting brackets. We get a lot of calls from customers wanting more articulation, more flex, shear resistance for crashes. Some people want a lot of flex. So with this new system we've developed, you can do a piece of rubber in the middle. You can do kind of more of a traditional hard mount, and that'll still isolate a little bit of the movement and still allow a little bit of flex, but not too severe. For those customers who really wanted a lot of flex, you can do a spring system. Same bracketry, same cushioning, but on the back side we'll add a longer spring that's appropriate to the bed weight. To give us that shear resistance and that crash protection, we got these brackets, and they're kind of saddled to capture the top half, and then the top half has a tongue that prevents it from going this way. So in the event of a crash, your bed's going to want to slide forward, but because of these brackets here, it's going to stop that. If you got hit from the side, then that bracket would hit. This bracket mounts to the long sill of our bed, which is traditionally a 6-inch long sill, and then you would bolt that through, and then on the inside of our long sill, you get this backer plate, and that's how we pinch it to our long sill. And then this other bracket either gets bolted to the OEM frame, or you could weld it. It's whatever your preference is, bolt or weld. All right, so this 3/4 inch rubber goes in between our pieces, and we have these slotted in 2 directions, so it has a little bit of slide. But if you really want to lock it down, we have a pilot hole here that once you get your bed centered up on the truck, then you can then go transfer that hole through both brackets and then bolt it for an even more rigid mount. This customer in particular has chosen to just do the one bolt with the one piece of 3/4 inch rubber. So they'll maintain a little bit of articulation, but it won't be sloppy while off-roading with a heavy load.